In this video we are going to study about CT wiring schedule. So we have here a 100 kV nameplate of a 100 kV CT. In the nameplate you can see we have 5 number of cores. So the first core you can see here, it's an 800 by 1 or 400 by 1 CT. Okay, so we'll be bringing all the 3 terminals in the CTMK. So first core is, you can see here, PS class, that's protection. Second core is also protection core CT. Third core is metering CT, you can see it from the class here. Fourth and fifth core is also protection CT. Okay, so we will need a CT nameplate here, and also we'll need CT drawing. Okay, so here we have the CT drawing here. In the CT drawing you can see there are this type of diagram will be there, that will be showing the core details. Okay, so this is the bus, P1 is towards the bus and P2 is towards the line, and this is the CT box shown here. And we need to remember one thing, that whichever side we need to protect, that side we need to earth. Means if we want to, if it's a distance relay, then we'll have to protect the line side. So line side we'll have to star point, we'll to make a star point at the line side. That is if that is the if for example in this diagram here, P2 is star point, and so S2 we will have to make a star point of the CD. Okay, so first we'll bring, what we'll do is, first we'll do the schedule for CT to CTMK. That is the cable will be placed from CT secondary box to CTMK. So in these two columns are about are for the CT secondary box, and these two are about the CTMK. TB number and ferrule of CT, and ferrule and TB number at the CTMK end. Okay, so we will bring 3 terminals from the CD, 1S1, 1S2, 1S3. Here see, you can see 1S1, 1S1, 1S2 is for 400, and 1S1, 1S3 is for 800. So we'll bring all the 3 terminals here. So in the future if we want to use in the future we can use 400 or 800, whatever we need. Okay, so it's 1S1, TB number in the CD is, you can see here, it is this is the nameplate of the CD. In the secondary box we will have these 3 terminals here, 1S1, 1S2, 1S3. Similarly for second core will be 2S1, 2S2, 2S3, and similarly for third, fourth and fifth cores. Okay, so we'll bring all the terminal, we'll wire up all the terminals in the CTMK. So we'll write down here TB numbers, 1S1, 1S2, 1S3. This box is for R phase CD, then it is for Y phase, and then the third one is for B phase. Okay, so 1S1, 1S2, 1S3, 2S1, 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 2S2, 2S3, 3S1, 3S2, 3S3. Likewise for fourth core and fifth core. Okay, so ferrule what we will use is from CT to CTMK. We are doing the schedule wiring schedule from CT to CTMK. So we'll use ferrule we will use is R1S1, R1S1, R1S2, R1S3, R2S1. This is the second core, R2S1, R2S2, and R2S3, R3S1, R3S2, R3S3. Likewise for fourth and the fifth core. Okay, so we'll just lock this image here, and I'll just try and draw how the CT core is like. Okay, so the CT secondary is something like this, 1S1, 1S3, and 1S2, 1S1, 1S2, 1S3. Like this the CT terminal is there. From there the ferrule will be 1S1, R1S1, and it will go to CTMK first TB, first number TB, and then this will go to the second number TB, then this will go to the third number TB. Likewise the second R phase second core will be like this. Okay, alright, and from there it will go to the relay panel. Okay, and this will be star point, this will be loop 1 with Y phase here, Y phase Y1S3. Okay, Y1S3. Alright, so this way the star will be prepared. Okay, so now earlier I had said that whichever side we want to protect, that we need to that we need to make a star. Okay, so here in the first core, P1 is towards bus side. We need to protect the line side for the distance core, distance relay, and line side is P2. So we need to star the S2. Okay, so S2, in the remarks we have written here loop 1. Okay, so that will be shorted with y phase y1 S3. Okay, so this is the y phase CD. Okay, like that, it's a y phase CD. Okay, and this will go to the CTMK. This will go to the relay panel, and this will be star point with this one. Okay, with R phase, Y phase, and then it will be star point with the B phase. Okay, so B phase CD, B phase core 1 is this one. Okay, so this will be the second. This will go to the relay panel, and this will be star point with this one, and then it is earth. All right, so you can see here how it's done. This is the way it's done. Okay, this is CT to CTMK. Okay, then I've shown it for R phase for core 1. Similarly, you have to do it for second core is about backup protection. We have used for backup protection 2S1, 2S2, 2S3, and similar backup protection. For backup protection also we have to star point the S3 terminal. Okay, so here S3, this will go to the relay panel, and this loop 2 here with Y phase loop Y phase Y2S3, and B phase Y2S3, and then it will be earth. Okay, so for metering we are taking bus as the reference. So say this is the metering core city. Then so we have to star point S1 because bus side is P1, so we have to star point S1, and this will go to the relay panel, and this will be star point with Y phase, and then it will be star point with B phase, and then it will be earth. Okay, so this way we have to wire it up. This is CT to CTMK, and then from CTMK to CRP. Okay, so CTMK we have the ferrule, and the TB numbers from here. Okay, so for example we'll do for distance protection. So TB number what we have used is this will one number for R phase wire going to the relay panel is one number, Y phase, and then for Y phase it's 17, and B phase it's 33. Okay, so we have seen here 1, 17 and 33, and the loop star point, you can see the star point 1, 19, and then 35 number is earth, and that will go to the neutral point. Okay, so 35 we have used 35 here. The ferrule that we will be using is CRP 111, CRP 1 A. For A ferrule we have to use prefix A, we have to use, and since it is going to the CRP, we will prefix it with CRP A 111, CRP A 131, CRP A 151, CRP A 171, and in the relay panel side we will use the prefix as CTMK, and the same ferrule we will use. Okay, and these TB numbers in the relay panel, the TB numbers we have to find out. Okay, so we'll go to the relay panel drawing, and then we'll see check about distance. We'll go to the distance relay page. Okay, so distance relay, we'll go to the distance relay page. Okay, so this is the distance relay page. Alright, so in this page you can see 8111 is coming to the in the relay panel. It is coming to this TV number CTTB 32. Okay, and CTTB 36, then sorry, 32, 33, 34 and 35. Okay, 32, 32, 33, 34 and 35. Okay, the same terminal we'll use here. Okay, okay, so here we'll use those terminals, this one, CTTB 32, 33, 34 and 35. Alright, then for then comes the metering, protection. Okay, backup protection. For backup protection we'll be using CTTB 21, 22, 23 and 24. Okay, here for backup protection 22, 23, 24 and 25. Okay, that's way, in this way we'll do the scheduling of the CD, wiring of the CD. Thank you so much. Do subscribe, do follow us on the LinkedIn. Search for Nitin N on LinkedIn. Thank you so much.